Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, guys, we're going to talk about how or 3 things you need to do to stop procrastinating, okay? This is killing so many of you guys, and it's hindering you guys from hitting $10,000 a month and really getting clients and being productive in your life and in your agency. Procrastination, okay? Procrastination, I would say, is responsible for 90% of failures out there, meaning that you have set an intention to start a social media marketing agency, but you let the cares of this life and you let circumstances and excuses and putting it off for tomorrow hinder your progress for today. You procrastinate. You say, oh, well, I'll make cold calls later. Oh, well, I'll get the course later. I'll hire a course later. And here's the harsh reality of it all. You never get to doing it. Some of you guys were supposed to been hit $10,000 a month, but because you procrastinate on getting the course, but because you procrastinate on getting better and growing, you're still at square one. And I'm gonna help you guys to defeat procrastination in this video. Because here's the thing, a lot of people have purchased courses and trainings and coaches. You're watching YouTube videos, but you haven't started yet, okay? And today I'm gonna show you guys how to start, because you were supposed to be successful in SMMA months ago. You knew about SMMA a long time ago, but you haven't done nothing, okay? And I'm tired of it, okay? And today is your lucky day. 3 things you need to do to stop procrastination, okay? Here's number 1, ladies and gentlemen. Stop consuming all of the content, all of the videos, all of the courses, all of the books, but yet you're not doing anything. Some of you guys are on YouTube for hours and you're not taking action on the content, on the information that you're getting. And what's happening is this, mentally, okay, you're doing mental activity. Your mind is confusing mental activity for you actually rolling your sleeves up and actually going to work, okay? Some of you guys have just flat out fried your brain with content. And if you continue to watch video after video, course after course, training after training, and you don't do anything, ladies and gentlemen, that's what's really hindering your success and causing your procrastination, okay? You're knowledged out. And we know that knowledge is only power when applied. Let me say that again. Knowledge is only power when applied. What good is watching Maurice make cold call after cold call and you're not doing nothing? It does you no good. It just continue to fatten my pocket. But in essence, ladies and gentlemen, you're not reaping any dividends, okay, by watching me. If you don't pick up the phone and make cold calls yourself, ladies and gentlemen, you can't make money, okay? And I'm tired of 98% of the people on the internet broke or don't have clients. It's unexcusable, because all you have to do is follow the steps that I lay out for you. Get the course, read the scripts, and follow the blueprint, okay? I laid the blueprint out. All you have to do is apply what you learn, okay? You don't learn how to ride a bike by watching videos on YouTube. You actually have to get on the bike and ride it yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, when I started my social media marketing agency, when I was working at that dead-end job at that warehouse, working during the night, sleeping during the day, working a graveyard shift, I had to come to grips with my life, okay? And I said to myself, hey, you know what? I know that I got to go through this process of making cold calls. I looked at my bank account. It was not where I wanted to be. I looked at the car I was driving. That was not the car I wanted to be driving. And I looked at where I was living, and that was not the zip code that I wanted to be in. So I said to myself, I have to make a change. I got to do something different. I have to take action. So what I did, ladies and gentlemen, is I purchased the course. I consumed it. Once the consuming was done, I applied what I learned. And I applied it to the degree, ladies and gentlemen, I was able to generate a six-figure income my first year of doing SMMA. And the light bulb that went off in my mind was this: if I can apply just 80% of what this guy's teaching me, I know that I can get my first client and then my second client, and I can get better and grow my skills and eventually fire this dead-end job. And that's exactly what I did, okay? I didn't just sit there like you guys and watch all these videos and not apply it. And that's what's got so many people in this revolving wheel, is that they're not doing anything. They're procrastinating. You're just watching all the content, but they're not doing anything. And that's not going to get you the result that you really want. Next, you got to take action, ladies and gentlemen. This is a big one. Once again, what's going to stop you from being a procrastinator? When this video is over, grab your smartphone, go to Yelp, go to Craigslist, and make 2 cold calls. Make 3 cold calls. Ladies and gentlemen, when you do that, you essentially stop procrastination in its tracks immediately, okay? You essentially end procrastination, because a lot of you guys haven't done cold calling. A lot of you guys haven't even done cold emails, the looms, the funnels, and all the other stuff that the gurus are teaching, but most of you guys haven't done it. How do you stop the procrastination? Ladies and gentlemen, you got to take action. There's nothing else I can do to help you guys to defeat procrastination without telling you you must do something, okay? If you want to hit $10,000 a month, there's a blueprint, okay? There's a blueprint to hitting 20,000 and 30,000 and 40,000. But here's the sad reality. Most never do it. I didn't say that they couldn't, they just never attempt to do anything, okay? And ladies and gentlemen, if you want to be wealthy, okay, you must learn to have the habit of taking action. As I look at how successful I am in SMMA, you know, clocking $30,000 a month in SMMA and on my way to hitting 50 G's, one of the qualities, okay, that I have, a habits, is I take action, okay? I make a list and I knock it out, okay? I get things done. A lot of you guys have 24 hours in the day, and all you do is consume information, chill on the sofa, watch Netflix, browse Facebook. You're on IG looking at everybody else's lifestyle. And the truth of the matter is, people only show you what they want to show you. They don't show you the blood, sweat, and tears that they had to endure to get to what they're showing you on these platforms, okay? You got to understand something, ladies and gentlemen. This is not for the faint at heart, okay? If you really want to be rich and you want to be wealthy, you want to hit, you know, $10,000 a month and get 5 clients, 10 clients a month, you got to be an action taker. You cannot allow procrastination to choke you. And it's choking most of you guys. But after this video, it's going to be over, because you're going to have some tips that has helped me, that has helped my student, that has helped thousands of my subscribers to finally walk into their destiny and achieve success in social media marketing, okay? So you got to take action. The next thing, this is powerful. Not only do I want you to take action, but you got to do it now. One of my mentors say, when an ideal pops in your mind, take action on it immediately. I want you guys to be do it now type of people. Write that down. You guys want clients this week? Be a do it now type of person, okay? What do I mean? I'm going to give you a quick homework assignment. When you finish watching this video, and I'm going to keep it short, okay? You guys know cold calling is the fastest way to get your first client. And I know 90% of you guys don't have clients, and it should not be. I have laid out the courses. You guys have access to one-on-one coaching. You have access to thousands of hours of free content on my YouTube channel, and not just mine, but all the other guys that are pouring into you. You know, my hat goes off to all of my other social media marketing agency guys that are out there putting out this free content to help people. That's our goal and our desire. We don't have to do it, okay, because I'm making a boatload of cash. I don't have to do it, but I enjoy helping people, okay? But if you want to really get your first client, okay, and really blaze a trail for yourself and your family and hit your goals, what I want you to do when this video over with, I want you to pick up the phone. I want you to make 10 cold calls. When you do it, come back to this video and comment below and say, Maurice, I did it. I'm a do it now type of person. And I want you to build that habit. And if you can build that habit, ladies and gentlemen, and you do that over the course of a year, I can promise you, okay, I can promise you, you're going to hit all of your dreams and goals. You're going to be hitting 6 figures in SMMA because you're a do it now type of person. And those are the people that make all the money. Okay? Be a do it now person. Don't put stuff off for tomorrow because tomorrow is your today. And most people are just doing the same thing. Remember, we are creatures of habits. Human beings are creatures of habits. So I want you to set the habit or create the habit of being a do it now type of person. And if you do that, folks, you're going to get clients. You're going to hit 10 grand a month. You're going to be able to fire your job. How do I know? I did it. And not only me, but hundreds of my students, hundreds of my subscribers have. And you have to understand that's the common denominator of success. The people that make money and the people that don't make money is simply this. The people that are making money are do it now type of people, and the people that are not making money are the lazy procrastinators who are not willing to change. And if you're not willing to change, you're not willing to grow. And if you're not willing to grow, you're not willing to make money, and you're not going to make money. So folks, I hope this video has been of immense value to you. If it has, comment below. Do everything that I said in this video. Watch this video 1,000 times. Too many of you guys are wondering, what is it? Do I need to buy another course? No, you need to stop procrastinating and you need to apply what you're learning, okay? Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber of this channel, make sure you subscribe. Do it now, okay? Because I always put out fire like this on a regular to help you guys get to 6 figures and beyond. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.